Okay, Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. So now let's look at the next pathway, okay, for the alternative mechanism of carbon dioxide fixation. Okay, so the next pathway is about crassulacean acid metabolism or CAM pathway in CAM plant. Okay, so for CAM pathway, it will occur by the same pathway as in C4 plants. Okay, but in mesophyll cell only at different time. Maksudnya dari segi pathway of the CAM pathway ni, dia lebih kurang sama saja dengan C4 plant. Okay, tetapi untuk CAM pathway, dia hanya berlaku dalam mesophyll cell sahaja. Tetapi berlaku pada masa yang berbeza. Okay, and then it will occur in arid condition in succulent plants. For the example, in crassulacean family. Okay, and then stomata opens at night. Kenapa? To avoid loss of water at daytime. So that's why kita katakan dekat sini CAM pathway, it will occur in different time but in the same place, which is in mesophyll cell. Okay, so we look at the pathway. Okay, so for crassulacean acid metabolism in CAM plant, so the first one, okay, first carbon dioxide fixation occurs in mesophyll cell. Okay, same with C4 pathway but occurs at night. Okay, and then Calvin cycle also occurs in the mesophyll cell but during the day. Maksudnya pada waktu malam, okay, dia akan berlaku the first carbon dioxide fixation, okay, in mesophyll cell. Okay, and then during the day, Calvin cycle will occur. Okay, also in the same place which is in mesophyll cell. Okay. Okay, so this is the overview, okay, about the process of the CAM pathway. So kalau awak tengok dekat sini, during the night, okay, stomata will be open. So since stomata open, okay, so the carbon dioxide will enter into the mesophyll cell. Okay, so this is the first carbon dioxide fixation that occurs during the night. Okay, and then during the day, so what happened to the stomata? Stomata will be closed. Okay, so kalau kita tengok based on this diagram, so dekat diagram ni dia akan explain lah overall process of the CAM pathway. Okay, so kita tengok one by one. Okay, at night stomata open and carbon dioxide is fixed using PEP, carboxylase, and stored in malit. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, okay, so kalau saya back to this diagram, so kalau awak tengok based on this diagram, okay, during the night, since stomata is open, so carbon dioxide, okay, will attach to the phosphoenopyruvate. Okay, so phosphoenopyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule, so dia sama saja dengan C4 pathway tadi. Okay, and then this process is catalyzed by enzyme PEP carboxylase and it will form oxaloacetate, which is 4-carbon. And then what happened to this oxaloacetate? Oxaloacetate will be reduced to malate or malic acid. And then this malic acid or malate will be stored in the vacuole. So this process will occur during the night. Okay. So what happened during the day? Okay, so during the day stomata will be closed. Okay, so what happened to the malate? Malate tadi kan dia disimpan di dalam vacuole. So malate is decarboxylated. Decarboxylated means malate will undergo decarboxylation. So it will release carbon dioxide. Okay, so what happened to this carbon dioxide? Okay, so kalau kita tengok dekat sini, okay, ni adalah Calvin cycle. So once malic acid or malate undergo decarboxylation, so this carbon dioxide will enter the Calvin cycle, which is the enzyme RUBP carboxylase oxygenase or Rubisco will fix the carbon. Okay, via the Calvin cycle. And then although oxygen may be present during the day, but the photorespiration doesn't occur because of the high concentration of carbon dioxide. So maksudnya disebabkan oleh concentration of carbon dioxide ini adalah tinggi, maksudnya photorespiration tak boleh berlaku. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, so kalau saya tengok dekat sini, okay, so let's say saya akan buat conclusion, okay, for the CAM pathway. So firstly, CAM pathway it will occur during the night. Okay, location dia adalah sama, maksudnya dia berlaku di dalam mesophyll cell. So what happen during the night? Stomata will be open. Okay, so when stomata open, so carbon dioxide will enter, okay, into the mesophyll cell, which is this carbon dioxide will be fixed by the PEP carboxylase. Okay, and then carbon dioxide will attach to the phosphoenopyruvate and it will form oxaloacetate. So oxaloacetate here is molecule that has 4 carbon. Okay, so PEP ni adalah molekul yang ada 3 carbon. Okay, so jangan lupa this process is catalyzed by enzyme that we call as PEP carboxylase. Okay, so what happened to the oxaloacetate? It will be reduced to malate. Okay, so what will be the reducing agent here is NADPH. So that's why NADPH will oxidize to NADP plus. Okay, and then malic or malic acid will be stored in the vacuole during the night. So during the day, so what happened to the stomata? Stomata will be closed. Okay. So what happened to the malic acid in the vacuole? It will be released, okay, from the vacuole, and then it will undergo decarbosylation. So carbon dioxide will enter the Kelvin cycle, which is this carbon dioxide later it will be attached to the RUBP, okay, ribulose bisphosphate that catalyzed by RuBisco, okay, and then it will form 3-phosphoglycerate. Okay, so means that the process of the Kelvin cycle can occur normally because of what? The concentration of carbon dioxide here is higher. Okay, so the sugar can be produced. So this will occur during the day. So what happened to the malic? Okay, malic, once it is undergo decarbosylation, so it will convert again to pyruvate. So pyruvate is the molecule that has 3 carbon. Okay, and then what happened to the pyruvate? Pyruvate will convert again to the phosphoenolpyruvate. Okay, and then this process, it will need ATP. Okay. So if you look at the process here, so awak boleh nampak ada kat sini, actually dia punya proses ni adalah sama sahaja dengan C4 pathway. Cuma perbezaannya adalah kalau untuk CM pathway, dia akan berlaku pada masa yang berbeza, which is dia akan berlaku during night and also during the day. But it will occur in the same place, which is mesophyll cell. Okay, so this is the difference lah between the C4 pathway or Hatch-Lab pathway for C4 plants and also CAM pathway for CAM plants. Okay, so ingatlah, okay, the example of the C4 plant are sugarcane, corn and also grass family. The example of the CAM plant are cactus and also pineapple. So kalau awak tengok based on the basic pathway, okay, for both of this pathway dia sama saja. Maksudnya carbon dioxide fixation berlaku 2 kali and then the carbon dioxide acceptor pun ada 2. Okay, lepas tu dari segi carbon dioxide fixing enzyme pun ada 2. Maksudnya sama sahaja. Dia punya perbezaannya adalah kalau untuk C4 pathway it will occur in different location which are mesophyll cell and also bundle sheet cell. Okay, but for CM pathway, it will occur during different time. Okay, which is during the night and also during the day. So, yang ni kita panggil sebagai, kalau untuk C4 pathway, kita panggil sebagai spatial separation of step. Spatial separation means that dia berlaku pada space yang tak sama. Okay, tapi kalau untuk CM pathway, dia adalah temporal separation. Maksudnya dia berlaku pada timing yang berbeza, different time. Okay, so this is the comparison between C3, C4 and also CM pathway. Okay, so kalau untuk C3 plant, okay, maksudnya dia cuma berlaku Kelvin cycle sahaja. So carbon dioxide fixation will occur once, berlaku sekali sahaja and then dia berlaku di dalam mesophyll cell. Tapi kalau untuk C4 plant, okay, the carbon dioxide fixation will occur twice. The first one dia akan berlaku dalam mesophyll cell, second dia berlaku dalam bundle sheet cell. So Kelvin cycle ni berlaku di dalam bundle sheet cell. Okay, and then for CAM plant, the carbon dioxide fixation also occurs twice, but it will occur during different time. The first one dia akan berlaku during night, second adalah during the day. Okay, so means that awak mesti kena take note lah comparison between C3, C4 and also CAM pathway. Okay, so kalau ada apa-apa masalah nanti boleh tanya saya. Okay, thank you.